Hello everybody, welcome back to the RAZER.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a clean new profile from scratch on your RAZER Viper V4 Pro. So as you guys can see, we are in the RAZER Synapse. We're gonna go over to RAZER Viper V4 Pro, and here we have the profiles. Now, as you guys can see, we're gonna go over and we're gonna add a new profile. As you guys can see, it is completely different. So this is the default, and this is where we can easily create the normal profile. So this is the default state of it. You guys can of course export it. You guys can import your profile. You can link games to your profile, like let's say Counter-Strike 2, and you guys can of course delete it, export it, duplicate it, reset, or delete. So if you don't want to create a new one because you've already got too much, you can just click here, click reset, tap on reset profile, and as you guys can see, it's totally back to normal. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.